In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change vault location in Obsidian. First, let's get started by clicking the vault icon located in the bottom left corner of the Obsidian interface. This icon is critical as it serves as your gateway to managing your vaults. When you click it, you will see a list of your active vaults along with options to create or manage them. This action is essential because it allows you to access all the features related to your vaults in one place. You will notice a clean interface pop up giving you clear navigation options. Next, navigate to Manage Vaults in the menu that appears. Here, you can see all your current vaults listed. This section is important because it provides an overview of how your data is organized. You can easily switch between vaults or make adjustments. It's a straightforward process, and this visibility helps you maintain control over your notes and projects. This is a key step in ensuring you are ready to change the vault location without any confusion later on. Once you are in the Manage Vault section, click the X or Close next to your active vault. By doing this, you are closing the vault, which is necessary for changing its location. This action ensures that no processes are currently running that might interfere with the move. You will see the vault disappear from the list, confirming that it is now closed. Now it's time to open File Explorer if you are using Windows or Finder if you are on a Mac. This step is crucial because you need access to your file system to move the vault folder. As you open the File Explorer or Finder, look for the current location of your vault folder. Depending on where you set it up initially, it might be in your documents or a specific directory. This visibility helps you confirm that you are working with the right folder, reducing the chances of errors. Next, locate your vault folder within File Explorer or Finder. Once you find it, you will simply drag and drop this folder to the new desired location. This action is vital as it physically moves your vault to where you want it to reside. You may want to place it in a more accessible folder or organize your files better. As you drag and drop, you will see the folder moving, which reassures you that the transfer is happening. Now, open Obsidian again. This is a straightforward action that helps refresh the application. Once Obsidian is open, you will be ready to access your newly relocated vault. It is important to restart Obsidian so that it can recognize the changes you just made. You will see the familiar interface loading up, which will help you feel comfortable as you proceed. Next, click the Vault icon once more and go back to Manage Vaults. This step is significant because you need to direct Obsidian to the new location of your vault. When you access this section again, it should feel familiar after your earlier steps. This is your chance to ensure everything is set up correctly before you open your vault again. From here, click Open Folder as Vault. This action prompts you to navigate to the new location of your vault. It's essential to take this step carefully as you want to point Obsidian to the right folder. You will see a file dialog box appear, allowing you to browse to the new location. This ensures that your vault is linked correctly and helps prevent any future issues with accessing your files. Finally, select the Moved Vault folder and click Open. This last step confirms the new location of your vault within Obsidian. Once you do this, your vault will load and you will see all your notes and files just as you left them. This process is complete and now your vault is successfully relocated. You can enjoy the benefits of having it exactly where you want it.